Jonathan, I want to tell you something, but it sounds cooler if I tell you through this. No, Lucas. I actually...
Oh, hello. Welcome back to the Jonathan and Lucas Show. Well, I was watching some of our episodes we made, and man, takes me down memory lane. I've been laughing. Just had a day off, so that's what I've been doing today. Though, I've been laughing a lot, and it has been really fun. Like, oh boy. I figured this was going to happen. Oh no, I got a case of the hiccups. How you doing? Hey, Lucas. Jonathan, looks like you got a case of the... No. Don't tell me, Jonathan. I know this. You have a case of, You have a case of hemorrhoiditis. That's right. Why? No, Lucas, Lucas, I do not... Hiccups. Oh yeah, that was my second guess. Well, Lucas, what are you doing here today? Well, after I looked through my binoculars, to see what shirt you're wearing, I sent this on and just came over to hang out. Jonathan, maybe we should watch some of the Jonathan and Lucas show together. Or maybe that's a bad idea. You probably shouldn't be laughing anymore with those... With that, hemorrhoiditis. Hiccups! Oh yeah, hiccups, that's right. Well, looks like the reason I'm over today is to cure your hiccups. Listen, Bonnie, I know if I just drank some water for a long amount of time, I'm pretty sure that the hiccups will be cured. Yeah, Jonathan, you can try that. There you go, Jonathan. Drink up. It's a good thing we always mark the bottle caps with our first initial on it. Wait, this was as an L. Your name starts with an L? No, Lucas the doofus, I accidentally drank out of yours. Now they just got worse. Oh yeah, I did mark my bottle with an L. Sorry, Jonathan, you're drinking mine. Well, Jonathan, obviously the water didn't work. You're still barking like a sea lion over there. I'll tell you just what to do. You'll need to hang upside down. Are you sure about this, Lucas? Very good, Jonathan. Now you just hold that position while I count to 125 from -20. Dude, what? Well, you're right, Jonathan. Probably not that good of an idea either. Now trust me on this one, buddy. Just lay flat out on the bed. That's right. There you go, Jonathan. Don't you worry about a thing, buddy. Dr. Lucas will have you better in no time. Are you sure about that, Lucas? Oh, absolutely, buddy. I promise you, my friend, this'll work. Wait, no, Lucas, no. Wait, Lucas. Stop, Lucas, no. Still didn't quite work. Maybe just a little bit higher. Here, let me turn this up a little bit. Yeah, maybe this will work better. There you go, Jonathan. Your hiccups should be cured, buddy. Hey! Hey! Lucas, I don't think it worked. Well, Lucas, that didn't work either. Guess not, Jonathan. Well, they'll go away eventually. No, Jonathan, don't give up yet. There's one more step that I remember. And what is that, Lucas? And as, Bonnie, hold your breath for 5 minutes straight. How in the am I supposed to? How in the world am I supposed to do that? You can do it. Go. Don't stop till I say so. Oh, look. Here's the videos you were watching. No, Lucas. Oh, yeah. This is a fun one.
Okay, and what is that, Jonathan?
I am not giving up. Well, that was a great episode. Well, lost track of time. Jonathan, you okay, buddy? Jonathan! Oh my goodness! I got so wrapped up in watching the Jonathan and Lucas show that I forgot to tell my buddy to stop holding his breath for 20 minutes! Oh my goodness, Jonathan! I'm so sorry! I'm so sorry, buddy! I'm so sorry I forgot to tell you to stop holding your breath. Seems like you would have known that, though. Please wake up, because I want to come to your house tomorrow. No, please no. You're okay, buddy. I'm so glad. What made you I'm okay? Hey, my hiccups are gone. No hiccups. They do say when they scare you. I forgot about that step. Your hiccups are going away. Scare me? Did I scare you, buddy? Yeah, I guess you did when you said you were coming to my house tomorrow. Thanks, Lucas. You scared me. And you scared my hiccups away. Well, I cured Jonathan's hiccups. He was passed out on the floor. It was my fault because I didn't tell him to stop holding his breath. But then I scared him and scared away his hiccups, telling him I would come to his house tomorrow. Wait, Jonathan, why did that scare you? We'll see you next time on the Jonathan and Lucas Show. Remember to tap the like, subscribe, and notification bell. Bye now. Jonathan, remember this episode? The vacuuming.
Alright, let's take a look at that filter now. I bet it is dirty as all get out.
Oh no. Lucas has the hiccups. See you guys next time.